Hanji, good afternoon, everyone. Today, 30th of July, 2021, going for further next part with this chapter, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In this chapter section, today we will be going to do types of vegetation. Like in India, as we know that we have monsoon type of climate, but different areas are receiving different sunlight, different areas are receiving different precipitation. So, due to this reason, different areas have different type of vegetation. Today I will cover two type of vegetation. That is why I written two types over here. Otherwise, there are five basic type of vegetation. One is tropical evergreen. The word itself is saying that evergreen means never shed their leaves. Evergreen means never shed their leaves. Means always remain green. So this type of vegetation we have in our country. Second is tropical deciduous, means fixed of time for leaving or shedding their leaves. 6 to 8 weeks in a year. 6 से 8 हफ्ते in a year. That category of the forest are shedding their leaves. जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में कहते हैं पतझड़ का मौसम. ये 6 से 8 हफ्ते तक आता है. 6 to 8 weeks के लिए आता है. Third type of tropical vegetation is thorn forest and shrubs, means desert area. Thorn forest and shrub means desert area. So fourth type जो आती है that is mountain forest, means mountain type of forest. And fifth are mangrove, means mangrove जहाँ पर बारिश बहुत होती है वो आते हैं mangrove forest. So we in India have all these type of different vegetation, and now today I will first is tropical evergreen. As India is a tropical and subtropical land surface, we have tropical and subtropical surface. As अगर हम देखो साइड हमारा this line here and the cancer this altitude and latitude formation per है extend पे India extended over this area. So we are calling the tropical and subtropical area. So due to this, we have evergreen forest, means the forest which are receiving near about more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. बारिश यहाँ कितनी होती है? 200 centimeters above rainfall होती है. और यहाँ पर जो trees हैं, उनकी height जो है, that is more than 60 meters. The trees are quite long. Its height is more than 60 meters. Is it okay? So main points जो है वो हमने ये वाले कर रहे हैं कि these are found in the area which is receiving more than 200 centimeter of precipitation. Means यहाँ पर factor कौन सा आ गया? Natural vegetation का number 1 is precipitation, receiving more than 200 centimeters. So evergreen forest, I am going to read it so that you can underline all the important lines also. Are you ready there, Aryan Sharma and Tejas? Are you ready, Aryan Sharma and Tejas Beta ji? They are not ready. Only 1 or 2 children are ready. Rest all are sleeping. So tropical evergreen forest is restricted in the heavy rainfall area. You can see on a picture 45 page number. A map is being depicted over here. Here you can see dark area. Dark area means all that area which is covering Tripura, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, and Western Ghat side, Kerala, Western Ghat or Western coastal plains, all Karnataka area, Kerala region, and some part in the Tamil Nadu also. They are having tropical evergreen forest. So number 1, the area which is receiving heavy rainfall. Number 2, the area in the northern eastern side that is Meghalaya, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam side. they are having evergreen forest. And in the western side, a border Kerala along with the western coastal of Kerala, Karnataka, and eastern coastal only, that is eastern coastal is, you can say, Tamil Nadu. Is it okay? Clear hai? Fine. So next aa jata hai iska, they are receiving more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. It is 200 centimeter rainfall. Please note down these lines also. And the tree's height is more than 60 meter. Tree height कितनी होनी चाहिए? 60 meter. So this region is because यहाँ पर बारिश भी बहुत है, यहाँ पर sunlight भी बहुत है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर sunlight भी बहुत है, बारिश भी बहुत है, moisture भी बहुत है. So that is why there is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves, because every time moisture is there, every time you can say rainfall is there. So trees are not getting a same time to shed their leaves. Some trees shed at their own pace, and the forest appears to be green throughout the year. That is why this type of trees are called tropical evergreen forest. These types of forest are called tropical evergreen forest. Any doubt under this concept? Tropical, in India, we have 5 types of vegetation: tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, mountain type of vegetation, thorny vegetation, and mangrove vegetation. So first we are proceeding with the tropical evergreen. Is a type of vegetation which do not shed their leaves at proper time. They shed according to their pace, according to the trees, you can say, age or factor. But throughout the year, these forest remains green. That is why this is known as evergreen forest. And its height, the height of the trees in this areas are more than 60 meters. And the rainfall precipitation is more than 200 centimeters. That is why these trees, these forests which are in the tropical areas are known as evergreen forest. And these trees have different types of, you can say, अगर आप देखें तो यहाँ पर trees के ऊपर फिर साथ में, so they are doing like इस तरह trees जो है इनकी height जो है आगे 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 बढ़ती रहती है. You can see it on a picture 5.2. It is being given with the creepings also, and it remained with the fungi भी लगी रहती है, greenery भी लगी होती है. So this is total moist area and hot area. So that type of vegetation which is found in the, you can say, eastern side, Meghalaya, Tripura, Nagaland, Assam side, and Kerala, border of Karnataka, and eastern side, we can say in that is Tamil Nadu. So in this way we get the tropical evergreen forest. So यहाँ पर कौन-कौन से plants हैं? That is, now name the plants which are grown in evergreen are mahogany, ebony, ये नाम है 1 mark के लिए, ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona. Cinchona, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and rubber. These are the plants which are found in evergreen forest. So this is another 1 mark question. Is it clear to everyone? Karan, Shaurya, Ankit. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Now I am going to describe you about the tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest क्या है? It means देखो वहां पर कितना रेनफॉल है? 200. यहाँ पर trees shed their leaves. It means rainfall उससे कम होगा. Deciduous means these trees shed their leaves for 6 to 8 weeks. 6 to 8 weeks with specific time, at specific time. Okay. So tropical deciduous forests are the forests which are basically leaving their leaves at a proper time, and they are getting the rainfall ranging from 70 to 100 centimeters. Tropical deciduous trees which are getting the precipitation from 70 centimeters to 100 centimeters. यानी कि सारा कवर कर लेता है. You can see it on the previous page. All that light green color which is being shown over here, हमारा Central India, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, some part of we can say Punjab, some part of Himachal, some part of Uttarakhand. They all are lies in the tropical tropical deciduous forest, which are receiving rainfall 70 centimeter to 200 centimeters. And trees, this type of trees are shed their leaves for you can say about 6 to 8 weeks in the summer. Is it okay? Then आ जाता है यहाँ पर कौन-कौन से एरिया है that I had already told you that all the Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, some part of Uttarakhand, some part of Punjab, all these are getting, and Western Ghat area also, Western Ghat, internal Western Ghat area, they are having tropical deciduous forest. अब यहाँ पर ट्रीज कौन कौन से हैं जो दूसरी लाइन याद करने वाली, ये याद करने वाली है. यहाँ पर है बैम्बू, शीशम, साल, सैंडलवुड, कीकर, खैर, कुसुम, अर्जुन, मलबरी, ये सारे जो है, मैंगो ट्री, ये सारे. Is it okay? better. Tropical deciduous forests are the forests which are found in the area where the precipitation is the only factor. Means precipitation is in between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and these types of trees shed their leaves at specific time for 6 to 8 weeks in the summer month. And these are the areas like हम लोग कह सकते हैं उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, Maharashtra, all these areas, some part of Punjab, some part of Uttarakhand, some part of Odisha. So all these are the areas which are you can say giving or having the tropical deciduous forest. इस tropical deciduous forest में plants कौन-कौन से हैं? That are bamboo tree, you can say people tree, all these are here. So people tree, उसके बाद शीशम, साल, bamboo, ये सारे trees जो हैं वो यहाँ पर होंगे. You want to share anything with us, Aman Kapoor? Aman, you want to share anything with us?
No, ma'am.
Sorry, I am interrupting you again and again because I am assuming some of the unwanted elements are present in the class. So want to tackle that things also. So tropical deciduous forest, they are which type of trees? That is shisham, bamboo, sal, sandalwood, mulberry, all the commercial plants are there which are grown here in this type of vegetation. You can see it on figure 5.4. The trees, हमारे जो mango trees हैं, हमारे जो ये दूसरे people trees हैं, neem trees हैं, ये भी इसी के अंदर ही आ जाते हैं. Next आ जाते हैं third type के. Should I continue? Third type का करवा दूं? Thorn forest. The thorn forest. Thorn forest and shrubs. this is a region which is receiving less than यहाँ पर 70 to 200 rainfall और यहाँ पर less than 70 centimeter rainfall. Got it? Fine. So यहाँ पर जो है this region is receiving less than 70 centimeter of rainfall and this is found in the northern west. Now look at the map. You can see all the western part of India, Rajasthan, part of Haryana, part of Gujarat, that is all under the desert area and some part in the middle of the plateau area. Middle of the plateau area means some part of Karnataka, some part of Andhra Pradesh and some part of, you can say, Tamil Nadu is having under this category which is receiving less rainfall. So due to this they have, और यहाँ पर मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़ or some part of this we can have these types of forest and they have कीकर, यहाँ पर कौन से हैं, acacia, palm, cacti, these are the main plants. कीकर, ये जो सारे plants हैं वो यहाँ पर लगाए जाते हैं thorn forest में and cactus जो है which is containing a gel in between their leaves so that they can retain for a number of span of time without water. Is it okay? So leaves are mostly thick over here in these trees and these forests give away the thorn forest and scrubs in the arid area. Arid area में ये trees ही होते हैं और इसके अलावा और कोई tree नहीं हो पाता. And the forests are common animal. यहाँ पर animals कौन-कौन से common हैं? यहाँ पर के animals जो है thorn area में that are rat, mice, rabbit, fox, wolf, tiger, lion, wild ass, horse and camels. Camels is considered to be as a, क्या कहते हैं इसको, most important animal used as a domestic transportation purposes over here in this area. So in this area we have different type of vegetation as well as different type of fauna over here. Next आ जाता है mountain forest. Is it clear previous? If it is clear, please tell me so that I can proceed.
Ma'am, yeah.
Clear है बेटा, इसमें कुछ नहीं है ऐसा.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I had speeded. Otherwise, so I had decided to complete two. Mountain forest area क्या है? It is mountain forest area is the area which is at high altitude. ये high altitude area पे होता है और यहाँ पर क्या है? Temperature कितना होता है? That is very less and decrease in the temperature, increase in the altitude, correspondingly changing in the type of vegetation such that natural vegetation bed come order to see tropical and tundra region. यहाँ पर हमें वो वाली vegetation find होती है जो tropical region में और tundra regions में हमें मिलती है and the wet temperature type of forest between height of 1000 meter to 2000 meters. मतलब 1000 से 2000 मीटर तक हमें different type की, जहाँ पर green broad leaves such as oak, chestnut predominate between 1500 to 3000 मीटर तक टेम्परेचर और ज्यादा हो जाता है तो कॉनिफोरस, यहाँ पर पाइन, देवदार ऐसे पेड़ मिलते हैं. फिर पाइन, देवदार, फिर यानी कि कॉनिकल लीव्स वाले ट्री मिलते हैं हमें. यू कैन सी इट ऑन 5.6 फिगर. 5.6 फिगर देखिए, वहां पर जो आपको ट्री दिख रहे हैं दे आर कॉनिकल एंड मतलब हाइट पे बहुत लंबे होते हैं एंड कवरिंग द full all part of a mountain cover. So cedar, fir, all these are the basically finding over here. Next these forests cover mostly in the southern slope. यहाँ पर जो है, अब देखिए, अब मैं यहाँ पर एक important point करवाने लगी हूँ. Thank you very much जिन्होंने जाना था चले गए. Mountain के जिस area पर southern side पर, ये south side area नॉर्थ साइड पर हमारे तिब्बत चाइना है और वहां से बहुत ज्यादा हमें पता है वर्टिकली all the dry winds, dry and cold winds आती है. That is why from that area dry cold deserts are there. So this side, southern side of Himalayas, we are having sunlight, we are having different altitude also. That is why we have all the vegetation in this side only, that side. उस साइड नहीं है इतनी वेजिटेशन जितनी इस साइड वेजिटेशन है. यानी कि भारत के इस वाली साइड ज्यादा वेजिटेशन है और उधर वाली साइड इतनी वेजिटेशन नहीं है. ठीक है, वहां पर क्या है, ऑल डेजर्ट, कोल्ड डेजर्ट्स आर देयर. लद्दाख को मूवीज में आपने देखा होगा, लद्दाख पर टीवीज में आपने देखा होगा, वहां पर कोई वेजिटेशन ज्यादा नहीं है, वो डेजर्ट फॉर्म में है. वहां पर कुछ भी ग्रीनरी नहीं आपको दिखती है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ बर्फ दिखती है. Why so? Because वहां कोल्ड जो winds हैं वो ही blow करती हैं and they are not allowing any vegetation to grow. ठंडी में प्लांट की ग्रोथ रुक जाती है. You can observe from your house plants also. You can observe if you have plants at your home, the growth rate of your plants at home in the winter period are slightly less as compared to the period nowadays. Nowadays there is a mushroom growth of the plants. There is a rapid increase in the plant growth. But when the winter comes, the plant growth reduces. They stop. रुक जाते हैं. रुकते हैं या नहीं रुकते? Because of the cold weather. They just want to accumulate them within that strength. वो वहीं पर अपना खाना बनाते रहते हैं, growth नहीं हो पाती. This is the same thing happening in the mountain areas. So mountain high altitude generally more than 36 centimeter above the sea level, temperature forest and grassland cover the way of alpine vegetation. वहां पर फिर grasslands आ जाते हैं. Have you ever seen Gulmarg? गुलमर्ग वगैरह ऐसी कोई जगह देखी है जहां पर आपको बड़े बड़े जो है पहाड़ों के ऊपर सिर्फ और सिर्फ वैलीज वो दिखता है, पेड़ नहीं दिखता है. गार्डन्स दिखते हैं, पेड़ नहीं दिखता है. वेजिटेशन सिर्फ उसी वे में होती है और कहीं नहीं होती. छोटे छोटे बस, और ट्रीज नहीं होते वहां. ट्रीज नहीं होते, सिर्फ ग्रास होते हैं. अगर कहीं आप नियर बाय यहाँ गए हो तो आपने कभी देखा हो पहाड़ों में कि गार्डन बीच बीच में, अगर किसी को एक्सपीरियंस हुआ हो डलहौजी जाने का तो खजियार गए हो, वहां आसपास ट्रीज है और बीच में ग्राउंड अपने आप नेचुरली बना हुआ है. दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर बीइंग देयर इन दैट एरिया. जहां पर ऊपर अगर हम लोग हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे 3500 मतलब मीटर्स हाई अबव द सी लेवल चले जाते हैं तो वहां पर हमें ग्रासलैंड्स मिलने स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. वहां हमें ट्री एज अ नेचुरल वेजिटेशन नहीं मिलती है. सो अल्पाइन वेजिटेशन, और उसके साथ साथ वहां पर होते हैं सिल्वर फिर, जूनिपर, पाइन्स, ब्रीचर्स. दे आर कॉमन ट्री इन दैट एरियाज. एनी डाउट अप टू दिस? क्लियर है बेटा जी? टेस्ट. हाँ जी बेटा जी, it is just a small recapitulation which we will be going to do. Tell me, what do you mean by natural vegetation? Who will be going to raise their hand? Okay, Balpreet, natural vegetation.
Natural vegetation is a biome which is formed naturally in forests, just like a tropical evergreen forest in which trees
Okay.
never shed their leaves.
Fine. What
It
is
a
virgin
natural-
vegetation? Virgin vegetation. Karan. Virgin vegetation. Anshuman.
Ma'am, virgin vegetation and natural vegetations are both the same terms.
Okay, yes. Virgin vegetation is the different name of second name of natural vegetation. Excellent, बेटा जी. Next आ जाता है, define the term flora. Define the term flora. Nurjot.
The term flora refers to the species of plants found at a particular region.
Okay, how many species we have in India? How many
Number
number
of
of species?
Plants,
Animals,
Uh,
animals, animals.
animals, ma'am, 90,000.
Yes, 90,000 animal species we have in India. Okay, Which name the union territory having minimum forest cover area. Name the union territory having minimum forest cover in India. Sanyam, very good. Sanyam.
Lakshadweep.
Anji, Lakshadweep. Why?
Lakshadweep.
Why?
Because it has coral island. Ma'am, coral island.
Yes, it has a coral. Okay. Next आ जाता है. Tell me, what do you mean by precipitation? What do you mean by precipitation? कौन बताएगा? बहुत easy पूछा मैंने. Precipitation. Balpreet. Okay, Balpreet.
Precipitation is another name, scientific name for raining.
Scientific name of a rain. Very good. Scientific name of rain. What do you mean by sunlight or photoperiod? How they affect the natural vegetation? What do you mean by sunlight or photoperiod? How they affect the natural vegetation? Yes, Ram. Ram, you are not audible. Kritika.
The variation and duration of sunlight at different places is due to differences in latitude, altitude, seasons, and duration of the day. Due to the longer duration of sunlight, trees grows faster in the summer.
Okay. Now tell me what are evergreen forest? Evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. Yes, कौन बताएगा? Pranjal Luthra, you can't tell? It is discussed only today within this class? Yes, Balpreet.
Evergreen forests are the forests in which trees
leaves
Which are?
completely, in which trees never shed their leaves completely.
They do not have the specific time to shed their leaves. They never shed their leaves. That is why they remain throughout the year, green in color. That is why they are called as an evergreen forest. And the precipitation, how much precipitation they receive? Evergreen forest. Yes, Kamaljeet.
Ma'am, 200 centimeters.
More than 200 centimeters. Answer should be more than 200 centimeters. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And what do you mean by tropical deciduous forest? Tropical deciduous, Ram. The area which is having rainfall in between 70 centimeter to 200 centimeter, and the area and the trees which shed their leaves at summertime from 6 to 8 weeks specific period of time, they are called tropical deciduous forest. Is it okay? Fine, nice participation, but only by the few students only. I just want everyone should participate, beta. Fine.